Welcome to my boy living room. Today I'm going to show you my RC car. Here's a remote. It has these switches where you press them, and now I'm going to show you the Mario Kart, and it's very fast, and now I'm going to show you how it drives. Now it fell down. Now I'm going to show you the coolest thing. I think another. Ow! And and crash. Make sure to like and subscribe on my video. Make sure to like it and subscribe. Bye.